Hi, my name's Clive Johnson. I'm a Principal Sales Engineer here at Salesforce.com, and I was working on an issue recently with Chris Miller in Enterprise Group, and she had a problem with case feed and changing status between the application used in the browser and Salesforce1. So the use case she encountered was on the browser. I'm in case feed mode here. I got a publisher action called change status. I can come in, I can change the status to warning, hit the change status button. Everything looks good. So this is case number 1634. If I swap over to my Salesforce1 area, just refresh to make sure I'm looking good. Hit the publisher button. There is no change status button here. Now what's happened? A couple of things have happened, and we've worked at the nice little workaround to this. If we look at the page layouts, this was called technical issue case feed, and if I look at the page layout list, in some of the transitional organizations we're going between case feed and case layout. So before we started playing with this system, we had a technical issue case feed, and there's a little button here to convert to case page layout. So we hit the convert to case page layout, and that creates a converted technical issue case feed page layout at the top of the screen here. So we just got to bear that in mind. What we've got to do in the meantime is we've got to create a new action. So I'm going to create a new action called change status, and it's an update action against the case. So I do change status, take the default values. You can change the icon if you want to, but I like the lightning bolt. We remove some fields, take the subject off, hit the save button. And here's a little workaround that you really need to do is you need to predefine a value, because if you don't put in a predefined value, it still won't show up. So I got status, and I just put on the status value as a predefined value of maybe working. Hit the save button. So now we've created our action. We've now got to add our action to our page layout. So coming back to converted technical issue case feed. So I hit the edit button, and then I hit actions, change status. Now there appears to be two change statuses in here, but this right hand one, this is the default one, does not show up. If you bear with me, I can show you what I mean there. So if I come back to my case number 1634, nothing will have changed on this page layout. So there's change status. I'll even do a double refresh the screen. Change status stays there. If I hit the more button, nothing else happens. But if I come across into my Salesforce1 environment, do a refresh my Salesforce1 environment. Refreshing. Hit the publisher action. I've now got a change status button with a predefined value, so I can change it to escalated. Hit the submit button, and I'll now change the status to submitted. So it's updated the record, tier 2 queue is changed because I've changed the status to submit to escalated. If I do a refresh here, I'll see the same information being generated in my browser here. So I'm auto following people. So that's your little workaround. Hope this helps.